Hello, good morning class. The today's topic is banking of tracks. We have discussed derivation of maximum speed. Now we will discuss the derivation of maximum permissible speed of a vehicle on a banked road. Now there is a car on a banked road. Outer edge is slightly raised over an inner edge. The normal reaction R is acting 90 degrees to the surface of the car. It is resolved in two components, R cos theta and R sin theta. R cos theta is acting in upward direction and R sin theta is providing centripetal force. Now in this derivation we have considered frictional force also. It is derived resolved in two components F cos theta, which is providing centripetal force, and F sin theta, which is acting in downward direction. F is equal to mu r also, so I have written mu r. Okay. Now since there is no upward and downward motion, there is no motion along vertical direction, therefore upward force is balanced by the downward force, that is mg plus mu r sin theta is equal to r cos theta, or mg is equal to r cos theta minus mu r sin theta. I have taken r cos theta common, therefore 1 minus mu tan theta. Why I have written tan theta here? Because we know that tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Now putting the value of sin theta is equal to tan theta into cos theta, here I have got this. Now centripetal force is provided by r sin theta and f cos theta. Therefore, mv square upon r is equal to r sin theta plus mu r cos theta, or you can say r cos theta, again I have taken common, that is equal to mu plus tan theta. Therefore, now dividing 2 by 1, we get v square upon rg is equal to mu plus tan theta upon 1 minus mu tan theta, or maximum speed is equal to rg bracket mu plus tan theta upon 1 minus mu tan theta. So this is the expression for maximum speed. And now what was the expression for the optimum speed? That was under root tan theta rg, and on a banked road it was equal to mu rg. So we have seen that we have increased the speed of the vehicle on a banked road when we considered frictional force. Thank you.